What's up? Man, it's what? It's 6:35. I'm on my way to work. I just wanted to make a quick video. Let y'all know what the channel gonna be about, what I'm gonna be doing. So basically, alright, I seen people doing channels. Sorry for the seatbelt. Alright, let me put this. So I seen people making YouTube channels, cars, a lot of stuff, phones, but mostly in the cars, because that's what I'm into. So I said, man, I got a nice car, let me try it out. So that's why I'm doing it. And I heard that could be very lucrative. I mean, I'm a long way from that part, but that is what I heard. But basically what the channel is gonna be about, I got some cars. These the cars. I'm gonna use them when I'm out and about. I might see a car I want to review. I'll post it on there. Hopefully they hit me back. And in this area I'm in, I might try the dealerships, but they kind of funny, man, around here. But I'm gonna try build a relationship with the local dealer and see if I can review some cars that way. So basically it's gonna be car reviews. I'm gonna start out with giving a review of my car, cause I already got it. In-depth review of my car. But yeah, it's gonna be car reviews. If I do any mods to my car, stuff like miles per gallon, how the gas is, cause I get that a lot. Eventually I might tell y'all how much my note is, how I got this car, did I really want this car. So you got reviews, car reviews, mod updates on my car, and then I'm gonna do like updates on certain stuff, like with the oil catch can. I'm gonna have to do an update video for that. And probably sometimes just a little cruising around the city. I might just start recording and talk about something random, dealing with the car. So we got car reviews, we got mods, we got updates, and then any specific topics that y'all want me to talk about, just leave it in the comment section. Or if you know me personally, call me or text me and I'll do it. But hopefully as the channel grow, I get to do a lot more reviews, and I can have a lot more content. But for now, it's gonna be those few things: car reviews, mods, updates, anything I change to my car. Just like check-in videos, like on stuff I did, tell you how I liked it at first, if I still like it now, stuff like that. And then sometimes I might just get in the car, I might take y'all with me to go to the car wash or something like that. So I appreciate all the support. I'm just starting. Spread the word. If you like cars, spread the word. If you don't like cars and know somebody who like cars, hit them up, show them my channel, tell them to subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Like I said, go subscribe if you haven't subscribed, or tell somebody to subscribe if you haven't told them to subscribe. And yeah, just look forward to some content for the first, since it's fairly new. I'm gonna probably do like 4 or 5 videos, and then send out a lot of texts, just to try to get the page out there for a while, and then I'll start back up on some more videos. I have a good one. It's the day after Memorial Day. I don't really feel like going to work, but hey, gotta go.